Assalamu alaikum to my dear students. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, you all are healthy, right? So my dear students, welcome to my Arabic class. And as you can see on your screen, page number 44 and lesson number 8. So my dear students, Ad-Darsu Thaminu, lesson number 8, and our topic is Az-Zamair. Az-Zamair means pronouns, right? I explain you what is the pronouns and what is the work of pronouns, how many types of pronouns I will explain you. First of all, we do a translation. You can see here on your screen also and in your textbook also, there is a 6 letter, right? So that is, what is that? That is a Zamair. Which Zamair? Zamire Munfasila. So there is a 2 type of Zamair, Zamire Muttasila and Zamire Munfasila. Zamire Muttasila are those pronouns, Zamire Muttasila are those pronouns who can't able to write without any other words support. Muttasila means attach, okay, and Zamair means pronouns. So Zamire Muttasila means attach pronouns. This is the first type of pronouns. And second one is a Zamaire Munfasila. Zamire Munfasila means detached pronouns, okay. So detached pronouns are those pronouns who are able to write without any other words support. Obvious है कि attach है यानी उसको हमें जोड़कर लिखना है, और detach है यानी वो सिंगल भी हम लिख सकते हैं, वो अपना मीनिंग भी एक्सप्रेस करेगा, राइट. सो you can see here in beginning of your lesson there is a 6 letters huwa, hiya, anta, anti, ana, nahnu. So huwa means he, hiya means she, anta means you, anti you. But what is the difference between these two words? First one is the fatha means with the fatha of ta, and second one is kasra of ta. Fatha means zabar, यानी पहला जो है अंत वो ता के ज़बर के साथ है, वो मेल के लिए मस्क्यूलाइन के लिए यूज़ होता है, और अंति वो फेमिनाइन के लिए यूज़ होता है विद द कसरा ऑफ ता, यानी ता के ज़ेर के साथ. अंडरस्टूड बेटा. अना मीन्स मी. वी कैन यूज़ अना फॉर अ बोथ फेमिनाइन एंड मस्क्यूलाइन, for a wahid means singular, and nahnu means we use it for a both masculine and feminine, but for a jama means a plural. Understood beta? So in this lesson which pronouns we learn? Detached pronouns. Zamire munfasila. Which pronouns we learn? Zamire munfasila means detached pronouns. Okay, so shall we start our lesson? Ad-Darsu Thaminu means lesson number 8. Ad-Zamair means pronouns. Huwa, he, hiya, she, anta, you, anti, you, ana, me, nahnu, we. Huwa muhasibun, he is an accountant. Huwa muhasibun means he is an accountant. Anti muzifatun, you are an air hostess. You are an air hostess. Hiya khadimatun, she is a house maid. She is a house maid. Ana talibun, I am a student. If you use here ana for a feminine, that time also ana talibatun with the goal ta. Afterward is change, but ana zamir we use for a both, okay, masculine and feminine. Wahid means singular. Ana talibun, I am a student. Hiya mumarrizatun, she is a nurse. She is a nurse. Ana mudarrisun, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. See, you can see the picture also. There is a talibun, there is a one of the boys standing there. Mudarrisun, there is also one of the sirs standing there. So when we use for a feminine, that time also we use this word, we use these pronouns, this zamir, but mudarrisun is changed with the mudarrisatun. फेमिनाइन के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, मुदर्रिसतुन. इट्स मीनिंग ऑल्सो टीचर. यू कैन सी एंड ऑफ द lesson there is a one lady in the picture and there is a word also available, mudarrisatun. Okay beta. So ana talibun, I am a student. Hiya mumarrizatun, she is a nurse. Ana mudarrisun, I am a teacher. Anta saydaliyun, you are a pharmacist. See, Sayyid Aliyun, you can see here what Sayyid Aliyun. Sayyid Aliyun means pharmacist, that person who have a knowledge of medicines and he is work in a pharmacy, or you can say the medical. Okay, but one more word same like this, Sayyid Aliyatun, या के बाद गोलता होती है. Sayyid Aliyatun का मीनिंग होता है pharmacy, means that place when you got the medicine and any kind of medical things. Okay, so anta saydaliyun, you are a pharmacist. Anta muhandisun, you are an engineer. Nahnu mujtahiduna, we are hard working, we are hard worker. Anti mudarrisatun, you are a teacher. See here they use ta with the kasra, means there, and front of it mudarrisatun. So whenever we have to use for a feminine, that time we use with the कसरा ऑफ ता. अंत सी देख, आप बिगिनिंग में देखो दोनों वर्ड लिखे हुए बिल्कुल सेम है, बट ओनली अ डिफरेंट इज फथा एंड कसरा. विद द फथा दैट इज फॉर अ मस्क्यूलाइन and with the kasra that is for a feminine. Now you can see the second page, page number 45. In your textbook they are giving us a zamire munfasilas 14 letter form. Okay, उसके 14 जो फॉर्म होते हैं वो हमको उन्होंने बताए हैं. कैसे लर्न करने हैं आप अभी यहाँ देखिए. हुआ, हुमा, हुम. हियर, हुमा, हुन्ना. सी, दोनों लाइन के सामने आप देखोगे थर्ड पर्सन लिखा है. अरबिक में हम थर्ड पर्सन को क्या कहते हैं, गायब. क्या कहते हैं, गायब. देन सेकंड लाइन, अंत, अंतुमा, अंतुम, अंती, अंतुमा, अंतुन्ना. You can see here front of it second person. Second person we called it in Arabic mukhatab. Mukhatab means that person who is standing front of you and you are talking with him or her. Understood? मैं अभी आपको समझाऊंगी दो दो लाइन क्यों दी है. Then last one is ana means me, nahnu means we. You can see here first person. First person means mutakallim, that person who talking now. Okay, so Arabic में third person को क्या कहते हैं, गायब. means that person who is not present here and we are talking about it, that is third person. Second means mukhatab, we called it in Arabic mukhatab. Mukhatab means that person who is standing front of us or who is we are talking with him or her. Then first person. First person means mutakallim. Mutakallim means that person who talking right now. अब आप कहोगे दो दो लाइन क्यों दी है. हुआ, हुमा, हुम, दिस इज फॉर अ मस्क्यूलाइन थर्ड पर्सन. हियर, हुमा, हुन्ना, दिस इज फॉर अ फेमिनाइन. ओके, हुआ फॉर अ वाहिद सिंगुलर, हुमा फॉर अ ड्यूअल तस्निया, हुम फॉर अ जमा मीन्स प्लूरल. सेम in second line also. Anta means you for a masculine second person, antuma for a dual and antum for a plural. Anti singular feminine second person, antuma dual feminine second person, and antunna plural for a feminine. Ana we can use wahid muzakkar or muannas mutakallim, means we use these pronouns for a both singular, and nahnu means we can use for a both feminine and masculine, but for a jama, for a plural. So my dear students, I hope you all are understood this lesson. And what is the grammar point in this lesson? Zamair, pronouns, and which zamair? Zamire munfasila means detached pronouns. If you have any kind of question regarding translation or grammar point or any doubt do you have, so you can ask me in our live classes. Inshallah, I'll explain you. Then you can understood properly. Okay. So till then, stay home, stay safe, and dua for everyone to peaceful life. Assalamu alaikum.